So when you see this question, you will notice that we can FOIL the left side and then match the variables and numbers with the right side. But there's an extra layer here. So before we get there, let's first simplify it. So 2x plus a, 3x plus b. Okay, let's try to simplify it. When you FOIL the first 2x times 3x will give you 6x squared, and the outside you're gonna get 2bx, because 2x times b will give you 2bx, and in the middle or inside we're gonna get 3ax. And last we have a times b, that will give you ab. And please notice that these two can be combined, so I can rewrite this as 6x squared plus 3a plus 2b. And how about we factor out the x? Okay, so when you set this equal to 6x squared plus cx plus 7, you're gonna notice that 6x squared can cancel. Okay, because this is a part of equation. When you set these two equal to each other, you can simply subtract 6x squared on both sides, and that's how they cancel. Okay, so we can write 3a plus 2b x plus ab, okay, equals cx plus 7. I'm gonna highlight the part that can set equal to each other. So c can equal to 3a plus 2b, and ab, which I'm going to underline with the green color, ab can equal to 7. Alright, so you might wonder, I have two equations but three variables, a, b, and c. How am I supposed to find it? So they give us this condition here. If the equation is true for all values of x. Okay, here. A and b are integers. So if a and b are integers, we have a limited set of choice because we have 7, which is a prime number. So a times b can only be like 1 times 7 or 7 times 1. Because it didn't say positive integers or natural numbers or whole numbers, we can also try -1, -7, -7, and -1. So those are the limited possibility that can satisfy the condition here. So if you look at the answer choices, we don't have any negatives, so we can just ignore, because if once you put A and B to be negative, C has to be, and there's no other options, C has to be negative. But since we don't have it, we can eliminate these two answer choices. So we only got A that can equal to 1 and B equals 7 and vice versa. So why don't we first start with A equals 1 and b equals 7, because that still satisfies the condition of a times b equals 7. So if you plug it in, a equals 1 and b equals 7, we're gonna get 3 times 1 plus 2 times 7. Okay, that's going to be our c value. So 3 plus 14 will give you 17. But what about the other possibility? So we said earlier that a can also equal to 7. When you plug it in, 7 for a and 1 for b, we're gonna get 21 plus 2. Okay, this can also equal to c. So that tells us the two possible values of c can be either 17 or 23. Therefore, the second answer choice here would be correct.